I'm Dietitian Shelly, and let's get our healthy meal prep done for the week. This is perfect for our diabetics, pre-diabetics, and those looking to lose weight. Let's go. Grab your saucepan, spatula, sandwich bags, or go ahead and do a full meal prep and make our cabbage salad in our bowls. Now, I have a bowl. You could use Tupperware. You can really use anything, y'all. Please don't go and buy more stuff. This is a favorite salad of all of my clients in my clinic. And if you're new here, hey, Dietitian Shelly. If you have diabetes, pre-diabetes, you definitely want to subscribe to this channel. We're going to add to this my shredded cabbage, about a cup. I love cabbage because it really stays crunchy. It doesn't spoil. To me, there's nothing worse than a liquefied salad. Kind of icky, kind of gross. Then we're adding to this feta cheese. I love feta cheese. If you watch this channel, I talk a lot about goat cheese, but also remember feta cheese is traditionally made from the goat or sheep milk. So this is great for folks who are lactose intolerant. And then we're going to add our Simply vinaigrette to it. I am very mindful of the ingredients. Check them out. Make sure it's low in sugar. But notice I'm not pouring it to the salad. This is something that I'm going to bring along with me, because if we did add it to the salad, it would get a little funky and gross. These simple ingredients will make your week meal prep. We have our rotisserie chicken. Rotisserie chicken is where it is. You see, I have it in a package here. Could you buy it and shred it yourself? Absolutely. We also have our feta, which we talked about a little easier on our stomach. And I have our mini peppers. And the star of the show is our Mission Carb Balance wraps. You're going to want to go ahead and cut up those 1 to 2 mini peppers. I love the mini peppers in this recipe. Number one, instead of the full size, we are using the tiny ones. It cuts them up tiny, but please remember, gang, I'm cutting these. I'm kind of cutting them really thin. Cut them as you wish. None of us are chefs here. None of us are going to fuss each other. It's not going to be, you have to cut it this thin, blah, blah, blah. That is what zaps our time. Just go ahead and chop it. Then what you're going to do is grab those Mission wraps. Now those Mission Carb Balance wraps are that secret weapon, which is our fiber. If you watched my videos, you know that I really push for 30 grams of fiber. If you're nervous that you're not getting 30 grams of fiber in a day, remember this helps lower our blood sugar levels. It keeps us full. I mean, there's just so many good things about it. Read more about it in my 7-day menu. That is free. Go ahead and click it in the description box right now to download. You are going to layer on that chicken. Now, chicken's the other weight loss winner, which is our protein. I'll push 90 grams of protein a day or higher. And I love chicken because it's simple. The family loves it. You're going to layer on your peppers and feta. And yes, all these ingredients, you can get them at Kroger, Walmart, Aldi. And I'm so excited because there's an Aldi now in Shreveport, which is where I live. Get them cheap, gang. Don't spend a ton of money. Now you see we're transitioning over to our saucepan. Go ahead and put it on medium heat. You're going to spray that pan with nonstick cooking spray, and you're going to place that wrap in the pan. You're going to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Now, if you want it crispier, please do cook it longer. And a little trick I have is once I flip it, I actually spray the top of it with that nonstick because I do love, a crispy type of feel. And yes, I am using the olive oil nonstick cooking spray. Once it's done, you're going to remove it from heat. You're going to cut it into your 4 pieces. You could put this in the sandwich bag, but we're doing the lunch all together. I'm putting it in this container. And if you were too busy watching and forgot to take notes, well, gang, guess what? I got the recipe in that description box. And please, please, please download that menu and subscribe.